Welcome to Multimodal Monday, episode 2. And yeah, this past week was an absolute doozy. We've got massive 10 million token context windows, vision language models that run on less than a gig of RAM, and even some spicy security concerns with retrieval-augmented generation. So let's get into it. Meta dropped Llama 4 Scout and Maverick, open source, natively multimodal, and fast. Not to be outdone, Microsoft came through with Phi 4 Multimodal, a 3.8 billion parameter model that handles text, images, and audio with LoRa adapters. And this outperforms giants. And Hugging Face, they released SmolVLM, the smallest vision language model ever, running on less than a gig of RAM. But not all of this was rosy. Researchers showed that a single poisoned image can hijack a retrieval-augmented generator. Multimodal security is now officially on the radar. All right, so let's geek out on some of the hottest research from the week. Super fresh and very usable. Phi 4 Multimodal, a modular LoRa-powered model that beats models 10x its size. Speech, vision, text, it's unified and nimble. GME Retriever. Think a universal retriever trained across text, image, and combo inputs. It hits state-of-the-art on a new benchmark called UMRB, big for general purpose research. Image Scope. This is slick. It reframes all visual search tasks as a single unified pipeline with no training needed. Just smart use of chain of thought reasoning. Reflective VA. Lava plus self-reflective tokens that know when to pull in external knowledge. It crushed visual Q&A benchmarks, and the code is open source. If you're building anything real like pipelines or products, here's where things get juicy. Hugging Face's SmolVLM series means you can now deploy VLMs on cheap commodity hardware. Raspberry Pis, Chromebooks, and even edge devices. Meta's Llama 4 is now live on Hugging Face. These models are mixtures of experts and can process images directly. And yes, context windows now stretch up to 10 million tokens. You can use them via API or bring your own embeddings and fine-tune away. So this cool tech is fun, but how's this stuff actually showing up in the real world? Google's visual Q&A for healthcare just launched. Doctors can now ask about a chart or an x-ray and get a multimodal answer thanks to Gemini 2.0 under the hood. And a new dataset for assistive technology retrieval showed that using both images and text can improve product search for people with disabilities. Massive implications for inclusive AI design. All right, so let's zoom out. What are the trends behind the releases? Small and modular is the new big. Everyone's using adapters, mixture of experts, quantization, or even retrieval to boost performance without ballooning the size of the models. Multimodal AI is going mobile. We're seeing serious edge compatibility. Think augmented reality glasses on device AI, smart cams, and more. Security matters now. Image poisoning attack, it's a wake-up call. And enterprise is here. Healthcare, finance, even defense, they're all jumping on the retrieval and generation wave. And of course, a few shout outs to the community that's making all of this real. Meta announced LlamaCon, April 29th. Expect fine-tuning tutorials, live demos, and maybe even a surprise or two. Magmar Workshop is calling for papers focused on multimodal and retrieval. If you're working on video RAG, get your submissions in by May 1st. Oh, and Llama 4, it went viral. 6,500 likes in a single day. People are already dropping chatbot builds and demo UIs. So that's a wrap for episode 2 of Multimodal Monday. We're seeing the future of retrieval, generation, and multimodal intelligence move faster than ever. And it's just getting started. So you can like, share, and send this to a friend building in the space. And if you're building anything with this tech, hit us up. See you next week.